Hey guys, remember that Monday at 10 a.m. is our 5-3 supply drop. We got a new hoodie, new tee, drawstring bag, stickers, S-beaners, you name it. We have really awesome stuff this drop, so make sure you grab it. It's always a limited supply. Go to 53supply.com and check out the drop. And make sure you just keep peeping your eyes on the website so that you can get the stuff first. Oh, it's so nice. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that, dude. Hydro? Check. Caliper bracket? Check. 2 new rear calipers? Check. Brake pads? Check. Wide vans? Definitely check. So I took this little guy for... Okay, really, dude? So this car is so slow, it has me a little worried. This car is still untuned, stock exhaust, stock header, stock intake, everything, which means I probably have like 210 wheel tops out of a DE. And I did some skids last night. I did travel to Mexico. I have to clutch kick. I have to constantly clutch kick in second gear to do a donut. I'm literally gripping too hard on 235, so I'm hoping that this car is still enjoyable to drift this weekend, because I need it. I need it to be enjoyable. Gotta make sure my left foot braking works. It works. Wasn't me. Yeah, so they sent me a reverse mount because they said it would be better for a Z. Figuring out that like it'll be fine, but my reservoir is going to be way up in that business, and that's kind of sucks. If I had a regular one, it would mount around like this, and it'd probably be a lot easier to mount. Yeah, this one's not going to work. I'm going to have to wait until they can send me a regular mount so I can do it like this, because the other way just isn't doable, and I wouldn't be able to pour anything into the reservoir. Last event I did really good at learning to clutch kick left foot brake, and now I actually have left foot braking, so
you need more.
So, not bummed. In fact, it'll be nice to have another day without having to use a hydro. Essentially what a hydro does is it allows you to really control your drifts. It allows you to extend and control your speed mid-drift. So this will give me another chance out on the track to focus on doing a lot more left foot action. With how slow this car is and all the crap going on with it right now, I'm gonna have to do a lot of clutch kicks and a lot of left foot braking. And that's okay. I'm gonna fix some more stuff, and then Gingium should be here, and I'm gonna invade his bus, because I've always wanted to see it.
2 hours later.
Okay, so Caleb is about 30 minutes out. I've been working on this car for probably 3 or 4 hours now, and I'm finally to the point where I'm confident. I made a little dummy boo-boo when I was installing the angle kit, which definitely provided the scariest death wobble of all time. So hopefully I fixed that. If I have any more problems with this car and I can't fully fix it before the event, I have Big Bessie. I have Big White Bessie right behind me that is a beautiful drift car. At like 50, 60, I just get this weird death wobble. Don't know what's going on. Yeah, that sounds real good. Oh, Gingium? Oh, no. Oh, Gingium? Gingium? Nope. Where you at, buddy? All right, where's this battle bus at? There he is! Hey, it's the Miata, and it's the bus. Brap, bap. Hey! You made it!
Hello?
I gotta go explore this. I gotta go explore this bus. Welcome. No, bring it in.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, dude. All right, you gotta show me the bus, dude.
All right,
I can't wait. This is so cool. Yeah, how is it driving this far in this? Decent? It's okay? Yeah?
It's a little noisy.
Oh, dude. Okay, I can deal with noisy. This is cool. Oh my God. This is way cooler than it looks on video.
And like 2 days ago, it was not this far, right?
Yeah.
No,
I
yeah.
like that you
literally.
Some carpet, dude. You got this luxury bed. Oh my God, dude.
It's not 100% done, but
Dude, this is so cool though. It's so modern. Like, it's like come just
Yeah,
like
I love the color.
play some board games, do some edits and stuff right here. This is so sick, man.
thank you. Did you see the first version of the bus?
Yeah,
Yeah, this is much better.
for sure. And you guys just did a bunch of wiring and stuff and everything too, like to.
Yeah, we got solar
get a bunch
panels
of
on the roof. We have
Dude, that's
fridges,
insane. So you got a
appliances,
freaking
lights.
fridge. This
Yeah,
is
we got
literally a
everything.
luxury like moving hotel. This
I
is
know.
so
I
cool.
know.
Like
How
a nice,
luxurious when it's moving.
nice wood and like, oh, this is so cool.
Yeah.
So cool.
Thank you.
power from.
Oh yeah, you guys, it's not like incredibly cold today.
No, it's really nice. This is
It's like
perfect.
60 degrees right now.
Warmer over the next.
It's supposed. It's actually like hot today.
Yeah.
I mean, they've been like negative 20s. Miata too. I love this car.
Have you
It
ever
makes me-
ridden in a Turbo Miata? Or like
Yeah, I've driven a Turbo Miata and it's awesome. But it wasn't like super. Well, it was on meth, so it was kind of quick. This car has to stop so fast.
Yeah, they're street pads, so it's not amazing.
And you're telling me you're gonna drift on RS3s?
No, I have.
Okay, I was gonna say that's gonna be a hard time, dude. This makes me miss mine.
Under the bed.
I'm not.
So cool. I miss my Miata so much.
I haven't driven this thing in 2 months.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, you're about to have some fun, dog. Hey, see? It likes this Texas weather. I can't wait to ride in this. This makes me want a Miata again. Kind of. Like, yeah, Yay! It's official, your car has landed in Texas. Let's go have some fun. Let's party. That sounds so good. Hey, a new neighbor, dude. How cool is this? I love fast car neighbors. Oh, it sounds so good. Hey, fancy seeing you guys here. Welcome to my abode, my incredibly dirty garage, with my incredibly broken cars.
Are they both broken now?
I mean, this one's like, broken. It's kind of like, it's always technically broken, I think. This one is being weird, and I've tried to work on it all day, and it has been annoying.
Well, maybe we can figure it out.
Yeah, maybe. All right, Caleb and I decided to go ahead and try aligning the car. It's still got this weird death wobble. And I was talking to the guy at FDF, and he was saying that I've never heard of this, but an excessive amount of toe out can actually give you kind of a death wobble or a wobble. So I'm hoping that fixes it. If not, I don't know. Oh my God.
I don't know how to use this thing, but it's a camera. Point and
Hope it works.
turn it on. Seems pretty good. Heck yeah!
I think we did it. Yeah. Hell yeah. The only thing that sucks about this car is it's slow, and it wants to, on 235s, it wants to grip. Oh my God, yep, there you go, told you. Like,
Yeah, you like
that was
clutch kicked
full
in and it went
throttle.
straight.
Full throttle. Clutch.
Yeah, I want to try a clutch on the street.
Oh,
Actually, I'm not sure if I do want to try it.
Oh man.
It's funny, like I totally recognize this from some of your videos.
Hey, what are you talking about? Wait. Give it a shot.
It's heavy, but
It's heavy.
the weight isn't the bad part.
It's the part that's coming. It's. Hey!
not bad.
You're at 6,000 RPMs, but still you.
That was like 20.
All right, now you're in a live situation. There's.
Oh
you got some
I
traffic.
can't take
Don't hit the motorcycle. 10 points. Oh, yeah! It's so bad.
I would just
Chirp, chirp. Well, that angle though. How was it?
It was fun.
Wait till you drive it on the at the airport. Oh, it's not even full lock. Wait. Gotta flex on him, ready?
It's not full.
There we go. That's full lock.
That's crazy.
Everybody, if you don't know, this is my friend Gingium. He's gonna be down here. It's Gingium, right?
You can call me Caleb.
Well, I already
that's my
have
YouTube
called you
channel,
Caleb.
yeah.
His YouTube channel's Gingium. He's gonna be down here all weekend. We are actually renting out the airport on Sunday to drift, and he's gonna be drifting his turbocharged Miata. I'm gonna have to take this. Yeah, his track car, literally, just like mine, like the exact same tires I used to have and everything, except his is cooler because it's boosted. I gotta drive this like tomorrow or something. I definitely want to. I need the Miata experience again. But make sure you guys follow him and check him out. You probably know who he is already. He built that awesome, super awesome bus and the Rally Miata and a lot of other cool stuff. But make sure you check him out. But that is it for me today. To end today, my advice for you guys is very simple. Actually, it's not really advice, it's just encouragement. I just want to tell you that all of you have a great purpose in life and you all have a big meaning. And I want you guys to believe that and realize that you mean something and you are amazing. You all are, every single one of you watching this. That's all I have to say. Whew, stoked we got the Z fixed and I'm excited for the weekend. Peace out. Bye. I got 2 videos for you right. Clutch, what, are you eating my camera right now? Hello? I got 2 videos for you. Okay, you gonna do the outro? Yeah? Tell me about it. Yeah, I love you. Yeah? He says, watch these videos. Good boy.